Instead of getting something just because it's on sale, can you ask yourself, do I have use cases for this item? Am I going to wear it? Does it fit with my wardrobe? And does it reflect the woman I am becoming or the man that I'm becoming? It's extremely important because there are so many things on sale on Black Friday. There is abundance of stuff. Before we hop right into what I got this Black Friday, my name is Surbi, and on this channel, we don't dress for who we are today, but we dress for who we are becoming. I'm going to walk you through all the high quality pieces that I got, not only from a clothing perspective, but from a perspective of my entire image. And first up, I have something very special and something that I have been waiting for an entire month after I did Miss Universe is a hair straightener from GHD. So let me show that to you. I have all my things here. So the first piece that we're going to go over is the GHD hair straightener. This is so good. This is just perfect. And the reason why I say it's the original GHD hair straightener. It's usually, I think, almost 200 euro, but I got it for 120 and it's absolutely so perfect. It's amazing. And the way it does your hair, it feels like you just walked out of a salon, and it's just perfect for every day. The problem with my current hair straightener was that it was burning my hair, and my hairdresser told me this. And when I went for my haircut a few months ago, he just chopped such a huge amount of hair, and I was just so unhappy with that recently when I went for my haircut again, I just told him to cut less. And this time my hair was healthier because I had taken care of my hair. But the point is that you need to invest in your hair, and your overall image is what matters. You could wear the most beautiful clothes, but if your hair is not well kept, it's not healthy, it's dry, it's dead, it's not going to look good. You may be wearing Chanel, Dior, but if your hair is not in place, if your skin is not in place, it's not going to look good. So investing in your hair is going to be a long-term investment. It's going to pay off long-term. So I highly recommend this. It is the best. It's the best technology for your hair. So definitely go and check out GHD. Even if it's not a hair straightener, maybe it's a dryer or something that you want to really start taking care of your hair or your skin, I highly recommend investing in that. Next up, I have the Invisible Accessory. And what I mean by this is my favorite perfume. So if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that I tried the Chanel No. 5 last month. It was absolutely gorgeous, but I managed to find a dupe for that, which is only 9 euros, and it's absolutely phenomenal. It is so good. I will link it in the description if you want to have a look at that. But oh my god, I realized that it smells exactly the same and I don't need to go and buy Chanel anymore. And when I wear my signature scent, which is Prada Paradoxe, it smells incredible. It stays on me for a long time. It stays on my coats. It's long lasting, and that is what I want. So I found that in a gift set format on sale, and it's just absolutely perfect. This is what I got. It is so good. It's just so nice. Look at the packaging. It's so Christmassy. I absolutely love it. And I'm going to show you the box as well, what is inside. We have so many things around right now, but oh my god, this is so cute, guys. I love it. I just love how beautiful this looks, but it was also on sale, so I managed to get a discount. But what I'm trying to also say here is that I actually wanted and needed the Prada perfume because I was running out of my current perfumes, which is the Chanel one and the dupe version of Chanel. Both of them were running out, so I decided to go for this one. It wasn't because it's just on sale, let me go get it. That was not the point. The point was that I needed perfume because I was running out of it, and it was also on sale. Same goes for the straightener. The reason why I bought it now was because obviously it doesn't make any sense to buy it in full price, and Black Friday is happening, so I may as well invest in a straightener now. So that's the reason why I went for the GHD, which is a great investment. It's already making my hair look like so incredible, so it's great. And then this perfume is just amazing, guys. This is one of my most complimented signature scents, so I highly recommend this. If you're looking for a perfume upgrade, this is the one. So I paid around, I would say, 120 euro for the GHD. For this, I paid 97 euros, and usually this itself, like this 50 ml itself, is usually that much. So I'm able to get a gift set, which is great. And now I'm going to show you this one. So my head purchase was this top from River Island, and if you really see this top, it's so cute. It's absolutely perfect, and I've paired it with this skirt, so it looks very Christmassy. It's so nice and it is so high quality. So if I come closer, you see the buttons, you see the little fit, the collar, everything is so perfect, and it looks so nice, elegant, classic. I can wear it for brunch, I can wear it for a YouTube video, I can wear it to work. It is so versatile, and that is what I'm looking at when I'm going clothes shopping. I'm not looking at what is on sale, how can I get a discounted item, but I'm more looking at what will go with my current wardrobe. So the reason why I actually stepped into River Island was because I was looking for a fur coat in crop, but I did not like anything that they had, then not so much that I would buy it. But I found this piece, I tried it on, and I decided, am I going to get it because it's on sale, or am I going to get it because it fits well with my wardrobe? I have use cases to wear this, and that is very important. Instead of getting something just because it's on sale, can you ask yourself, do I have use cases for this item? Am I going to wear it? Does it fit with my wardrobe? And does it reflect the woman I am becoming, or the man that I'm becoming? It's extremely important because there are so many things on sale on Black Friday. There is abundance of stuff, but that's not what we're getting at. We're getting at, does this work with your wardrobe? And now for the fourth purchase, it's the foundational pieces. So I got 2 pairs of boots from ASOS. One of them is a black knee-high boot, and it's with like a little stiletto heel. It's so elegant, super elegant boot, and I got that. It's actually from New Look originally, but I got it from ASOS, and that one was for, let me think about it. So this one was 37 euros. Originally, I think 59, discounted 37. That one, the boots, one of them was, I would say, 75, and the other one was 50. So I got 2 pairs of boots. So one of them was black knee-high boots from New Look, and the second one was from Public Desire, and that one was an ankle-heeled boot in caramel. So I don't have anything in tan or caramel, and I really needed those boots for work, and I got those. They both are pointy heel boots, and that is something that has actually worked for me really well. They're very elegant, very versatile. I can wear it all throughout winter, and that is what I was looking at. So I really needed boots prior to Black Friday anyways, but of course, leveraging Black Friday, I got them now because you can get a good deal out of it as well. Perfume, I needed that, I got that. This top was the only piece that I got that I didn't need, and it has really worked well. I love it. It's so elegant, it's so my style. It works perfectly for my wardrobe, and it's just Chanel-esque. I absolutely love this top, and I'm so happy I got it. The next one is actually not something that was discounted on Black Friday, but I still recommend it because it's really good. It's basically this Go patches, like these Go patches. They're really good. They are also collagen kind of Go patches. They're so good. I use them today. But if you're someone who probably has to work long hours, or you have someone who wakes up with naturally baggy eyes, this is something that can save your life. It's so good. It was 20 euro, but it is worth it because you're getting so many patches for 20 euros. So it's definitely 18 pairs of patches, really worth it. You can use them, they're going to work for your under eye and really brighten that part. If you look at my under eye, they look so healthy now because I used one today. So I do recommend this as well. It wasn't on a Black Friday sale, but it's a skincare investment, so I highly recommend that. Other than that, I got myself some birthday presents. Again, they were not on Black Friday. If you want to look at what I got myself on my birthday, which is next Sunday, stay tuned for a little birthday what I got myself video. I am so excited for that. But if you need help in curating your most beautiful outfit for Black Friday or even for Christmas, I am offering 50% off my wardrobe edit services, and this is the best time to purchase them. If you would like to book a wardrobe edit service with me, you can just get in touch with me directly with the link in the description, which is my email, and I will be more than happy to help you create your most beautiful, elegant wardrobe for Christmas as well as New Year. I hope you enjoyed this cute little vlog, what I got myself for Black Friday, and I hope you stay tuned for my upcoming videos. I am actually very excited because I'm trying to do this challenge. I'm actually going to do this challenge of posting a video every single day for the month of December. Fingers crossed I'm able to deliver on this, but I really want to add value. It's my birthday month, and the idea is to kind of create videos for you so that you can learn something out of it, to elevate your style, to elevate your mindset, and really add value in your life. All of these things are wonderful, but the best part about these things is that they all work together. Your mindset, your style, the way you carry yourself, everything works together, and that's the beauty of it all. So if you want to follow me on my Instagram, that is also linked in the description, and I hope to see you next week. I love you. Bye.